Welcome to the second part of this course on punctuation. While the comma and period are the two most used punctuation marks, there are more with equally complex but very logical rules of use. These marks are often misused, defeating the purpose of making communication comprehensible, and it makes sense to review them again. In this course, we will discuss the following punctuation marks: hyphen, apostrophe, quotation mark, dash, parentheses, brackets, and braces. Hyphens are easy to use punctuation marks when you want to join words and make new compound words. Let us review how and when to use a hyphen in compound modifiers, compound noun, numbers and unit of measure, compound numbers and fractions, adverbs, single letters and numbers, and in prefixes and suffixes. Now each tab will pop up to help you learn how to use a hyphen.